And those people who are feeling for everyone in the world who have lost people because of this. The lacrimal, it's where the tear ducts attach, and the heart chakra is one that just feels it all. So there's a real fear of feeling that energy. Chakra is about releasing our compassion, expanding our consciousness, expanding our trust, our communication with each other, and our awareness of one another. Hysteria and hate and obsessiveness shut down the heart chakra, so we need to release. I release any and all hysteria. I release any and all hate. I release any and all obsessiveness. So, heart, sternum, lacrimal, and hold. Hold, beautiful. Okay. Next one's the throat chakra. The throat links in with the hyoid bone and the parietal bones. And hold. Hold, yeah, third stage stress. And I can imagine all around the world there are people who are not allowed to say what they're thinking about this. We're lucky here in Australia. We can have an opinion, which is a very nice thing.
Oh, yeah.
Does not necessarily mean anyone wants to hear our opinion, but Illawarra flame tree is the energy associated with being jammed in what we're able to say. Yeah, it's not too open, it's third stage stress, it's exhausted, it's wanting to speak and wanting to hear our truth. But you know, sometimes the thoughts behind the words aren't there because we're so overwhelmed as well. So when we're in third stage stress, that overwhelm can be just so massive. Yeah, okay, this makes perfect sense. Fear of responsibility and overwhelming sense of rejection. So we're sort of in that state at the moment where you feel like if you do anything wrong, people are going to look at you. I've seen so many posts on Facebook about people saying, I had to go get my scripts and I felt guilty leaving the house. So there's a real fear, and it's a real fear of responsibility, not when we're young and healthy, but for the people who we might be going out there and hurting accidentally without meaning to. So, okay. I am loved and accepted in all life situations now. I now accept responsibility gladly. I am loved and accepted in all life situations now. I now accept responsibility gladly. I thrive with confidence, commitment, strength, self-reliance, and self-approval. Yeah, right. Okay. So 4 drops, Illawarra flame tree. Oops, sorry.
That's all right.
In your ear.
Okay.
So throat. I didn't think about that fear of rejection and fear of responsibility, and because everyone's looking at each other with COVID-19 goggles. What are they doing that they're not supposed to be doing? Hold.
My mum-in-law told us off for going over to board games at a friend's house last night.
How many people were there?
Well, we thought there were only going to be 2 others. There ended up being a bit of a handful, but really not anything to write home about.
Yeah. Okay. Next one is the brow chakra. So the brow links in with the zygomatic bone and the pubic bone. And hold. Okay. Hold. Okay, first stage stress. So the brow chakra is about truth and vision and intent.